Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of polynomial functions and complex zeros. Let's solve it together. A polynomial function p of x equals x plus 1 times x squared plus 5x plus 6. Which of the following describes the zeros of p? A, p has exactly 2 distinct real zeros. B, p has exactly 3 distinct real zeros. C, p has exactly 1 distinct real zero and no non-real zeros. And D, p has exactly 1 distinct real zero and 2 non-real zeros. Okay, so to solve this one, and we will make the factors equal 0. In this polynomial, we have two factors given, x plus 1, and the second factor is x squared plus 5x plus 6. So when you make them equal 0, you will find the zeros, the roots technically. So taking away 1 from each side, that gives you -1. And this one, x and x, and 3 and 2, when you multiply, you get 6. When you add them, you get 5. So this is x plus 3 times x plus 2 equals 0. So x plus 3 equals 0. X plus 2 equals 0. Take away 3 from both sides. X equals -3. And this one, if you will just take away 2 from both sides, x equals -2. So as you can see, we found -3, -2, and -1. There are 3 distinct real zeros of the polynomial function. These are all unique and different from each other. Therefore, the correct answer for this specific question is the choice B, which is P has exactly 3 distinct real zeros. This is how we solve it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.